You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, and we'll be looking at how to say more common names, especially in Turkey. Turkish names that are confusing can be Çağrı is how it's said in Turkish. Çağrı. Çağrı is how you say it, and now you know. Like this video if you found this useful. I appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.